Okay, in this lecture I'm going to teach some tools which is very useful for YouTube. As you know, YouTube is a very popular platform for video delivery. So it is very important if we can analyze and see what is going on inside the YouTube in every channel. So because, for example, we have some competitors and we want to know how well they are doing, or uh, how many videos is uploaded, or some other details information we may need it for our own purpose. So let's go to the tools. As you can see in the below here, we have one of them is a Social Blade. So what is a Social Blade? Social Blade is a tools for analyzing YouTube. It's a kind of free, and it is very useful. So may not so many people know about it, but if you have your someone YouTube channel, you can use this Social Blade to analyze their channel, how many videos they have, how many subscribers they have, how many likes, how so far doing well, and each and every piece of information you can get it from Social Blade. So which is in next lecture I will talk about detail each and every one. And second one is a vidIQ. vidIQ is a very good, and vidIQ and TubeBuddy, there are two tools, which is a plugin for Chrome. Okay, so if you check it this way, yes, this is a kind of plugin for Chrome, and you can use these two plugins for Chrome to use for improve your own YouTube channel. Okay, so they are good. Also you can check for your own competitors as well, but mainly you can use it for your own because it gives you very convenient functions to improve your own channel. So I will explain again in the next lecture about vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So please use these three tools for the improvement of your own YouTube. So you can check, search on the YouTube in the search engine, and look at for these three tools and study about them. So I will see you in the next lecture, and I will talk details about each and every of these tools.